morning, babes. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Valerie. We are going to do a day in the life vlog, day in the life of a millennial mom, I guess you could call it. But yeah, we don't got much to do today, but we are going to drop the baby off. I'm gonna go to Walmart or Target to get me some slippers. I need some more CeraVe toner. And I want to get some of them clogs that I've been seeing that you just slip on and go and they just look so cute. I need some more of those, just like some running around shoes, everyday shoe. And then I gotta edit some videos, pick him up later, put him in the tub, get myself in the tub, eat dinner. You know, y'all just gonna see what I do later that, pretty much. So let's get him dressed. Let me throw something on so we can drop him off and I can go to the store.
Times just to touch you, even when I know you lie, won't let me touch you, 'cause I love you. You would be right all the time if it was up to me. We could afford all.
I literally just throw on something like my work attire because I don't want him to know that I'm not going to work. Now let's go drop him off.
What?
Other way.
This?
Yep. Good job. Okay. Come on. All right, we done dropped the baby off. Y'all, I feel like I need to go back to the house. I do. I'm gonna go back to the house because I still have not done my devotional. I did not get up early enough to do my devotional. So I'm gonna go do my devotional in peace. Throw something else on. Fix up a little bit. Then we're gonna go to Walmart. I wanna go to Walmart because they got clothes. Affordable clothes. Especially y'all been seeing so much stuff on TikTok. So many cute pieces from Walmart on TikTok, so I want to see if they got a little cute, something cute at mine. So yeah, we are going to go home, do that, and then we'll be back. Currently took some time to edit a little bit before I left the house. Probably not gonna leave the house till probably 1 when baby dad go back to work. But I'm gonna edit for now. Look here, baby dad is the GOAT. I'm sitting here editing. He got me some breakfast. He got me some oatmeal because I heard that's the healthiest thing at McDonald's. Got me some oatmeal, and y'all, that oatmeal is really good. Comes with the oatmeal, some apples, and some raisins, y'all. So freaking good. It already has, like, I guess, brown sugar at the bottom. So, yo, it's perfect, y'all. But I'm about to eat my breakfast, talk to my man, and do a little bit more editing. So, I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm back from Walmart. I wanted to freaking record in Walmart. I must have got nervous or what, but it wasn't even recording. I'm so mad. It was so much cute stuff in Walmart. So freaking cute. I can't wait till I get paid because I'm about to get me some clothes from Walmart and do a little haul. They got some cute stuff, and I've been seeing a lot of cute stuff on TikTok. But what I did get was some flushable wipes. Got me some slippers that I've been constantly talking about. Y'all been hearing me talk about. These are so cute. I wish they was pink, but they ain't no pink ones. But this is so cute. The white thingy can come off. So I'm gonna have a little bow. Let me take it off so y'all can see. Look at this. So freaking cute. So cute. Got me some slippers. Then I just got me some CeraVe toner. Y'all, this has helped my pores and my cheeks tremendously. Love this stuff. But that's literally all I got. I'm so glad I went when I went because people was kind of still at work. It wasn't too crazy. I was in and out. I can't stand shopping in person. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I hate shopping in person. So I could have got the baby on my way home, but it's literally only like 2:30. No, that's too early. I will leave here probably at 4 and go get him. Literally only down the street. So probably gonna eat something real quick. Spend some alone time until I go get the boy until we start the night routine that y'all will also see. Gotta get him prepared for school, get him ready for school. He goes to school in the morning. Y'all will see that in a different vlog. Probably would have already seen that actually. I think that's going up before this one. So yeah, let's go in the house and get something to eat. Let me put my new slippers on right now. Tired of walking barefoot in my house. Yes. And I only like slippers with the toes out because my feet get hot, but they stay cold. It's weird. But yes, I got some cutesy slippers. These are literally the cutest slippers I've ever owned. For real, for real. Now I just need to get some in pink. It literally feels like I'm walking on a cloud, y'all. Ah, I'm too heavy. Definitely eat a late lunch. It is 2:43 and I'm just not about to eat something. About to eat this salad baby dad made us last night that I did not eat because I was full from the seafood boil that I had for my birthday. Ooh, I love when the croutons are still hard. So we about to tear this up. And the only dressing I use are Thousand Islands. So good. Looks delish. Give me a cup of ginger ale. I need to be drinking some water, but I don't want to. I didn't even tell you I was in the salad. So lettuce leaves, turkey, lunch meat, basically turkey lunch meat, cheese, egg, and croutons. That's pretty much it. It's so good. All right, y'all, I'm about to eat this and then go grab the baby and I'll be back. This boy ain't been home 2 minutes yet and already doing the most. About to put him right in the tub and hopefully he go to bed. Why is the shirt still on? Do like this. No, do like this. Go all the way up, keep going, over your head. He in a better mood now, playing his Roblox, and he got his snack. So happy, because he was acting crazy at first.
Take me through that, take me through that.
All right, y'all. Everybody is nice and clean. Now we're about to eat some dinner, some fries and turkey burgers. So yeah, I will see y'all later. That's pretty much the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. See y'all in the next one. Bye.